The Hunter Indoor Ceiling Fan Builder Plus 52-inch, brushed nickel, 53,237. A fan that promises to revolutionize your indoor living spaces. Stylish design and premium build. The Hunter Builder Plus 52-inch ceiling fan boasts an elegant brushed nickel finish that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Its sleek and modern design complements various interior styles, making it a versatile choice for homeowners. The fan's 5 reversible blades, finished in a rich Brazilian cherry and stained oak, allow you to customize the look to match your preferences, providing both a warm and inviting ambience or a cool and refreshing atmosphere. Powerful airflow and quiet operation. One of the most crucial aspects of any ceiling fan is its ability to circulate air efficiently while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. The Hunter Builder Plus delivers on both fronts. Equipped with a powerful whisper wind motor, this fan ensures exceptional airflow without compromising on noise. This feature makes it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and even offices where peace and quiet are valued. The 52-inch blade span offers excellent air distribution, effectively cooling the entire room, creating a pleasant environment during those hot summer months, or improving air circulation throughout the year. Pull chain control. For simplicity, Hunter has kept user convenience in mind by incorporating a pull chain control system into this ceiling fan. The pull chains allow you to adjust the fan's 3-speed settings quickly, making it easy to find the perfect comfort level for any occasion. Moreover, the fan comes with separate pull chains for light operation, enabling you to control the illumination in the room with ease. Versatility and energy efficiency. The Hunter Builder Plus 52-inch fan is designed to provide year-round comfort. During the warmer months, the fan's counterclockwise rotation creates a cooling breeze, providing relief from the heat. In colder months, you can reverse the fan's rotation clockwise, which pushes warm air trapped near the ceiling down into the living space, helping to maintain a consistent room temperature and reduce heating costs. Furthermore, the fan is ENERGY STAR certified, indicating its energy-efficient operation. By using this fan in conjunction with air conditioning and heating systems, you can significantly reduce energy consumption and save on utility bills. Installation made easy. Installing the Hunter Indoor Ceiling Fan is a straightforward process, especially for those with some basic D skills. The fan includes a comprehensive installation manual, step-by-step instructions, and all necessary hardware, making setup a hassle-free experience. Conclusion. The Hunter Indoor Ceiling Fan Builder Plus 52-inch, brushed nickel, 53,237, exemplifies the perfect combination of style, performance, and convenience. Its elegant design, powerful airflow, and quiet operation make it an ideal addition to any indoor living space, while the pull chain control system simplifies operation. With energy efficiency in mind, this fan is not only cost-effective but also environmentally friendly. So, if you are seeking a reliable, stylish, and functional ceiling fan, the Hunter Builder Plus 52-inch is undoubtedly worth considering. Note: the information in this article is based on the product's details as of September 2021. Please verify the product's specifications and availability on the provided Amazon link before making a purchase. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.